And what he said was, he said, guys, you guys got too much happening. You got too many people coming in. I need you guys to start learning how to close your own sales.
This was the moment that the opportunity and the smell in the air and the situation started to change, especially for me, because Richwood had to be at work, but I had extra hours, like I could get out of work early and I could take care of my son.
No, you weren't working yet.
Was I working yet?
No,
yes, I was.
Oh,
yes,
yeah,
I was. I was
working.
Staples.
Yeah, you were working.
This was before I fired them. Yeah. But then I was at home with my son, and then I would put the time to actually learn how to close, and the coach would teach me how to close sales. And trust me, the confidence was not there. I was very scared and nervous, but I had to get uncomfortable and follow what the coach taught me. And he wrote out a sample script, and he had me do drills, and I had to do drills and practice and practice and practice. And the drills were actually practicing with real people. Like if I messed up and I lost that deal, that would be my fault because I wasn't too confident at the moment. But I'm glad that he put me through that, because like my closing ratio to close people in sales, it went from 0 to 100%. Like I could close anybody, and it was amazing. I developed a lot of skills doing
now,
that.
For me, I've been mentored by great coaches, previous to this opportunity. Mm-hmm. So I had no problem asking for the sale. So I never really had that problem. I didn't have that fear. So I used to come home from work. We used to come together. She'd be like, she's like, babe, look, we got a lot of people lined up here. We got appointments. And I'm like, oh man, I'm tired. But regardless, still did it, right? We had appointments at night because people were coming from different time zones.
And he was tired.
South Africa.
I remember.
We're talking United Kingdom, Greece, United States, in different time zones, Thailand. The list goes on and on.
Yes.
So we have to do what we have to do.
Mm-hmm.
So I was closing deals with her, and like I said, we got uncomfortable, and we banked $42K in 15 weeks.
Yeah, that was incredible.
That for us, that was like phenomenal.
It was really phenomenal.
But you know what the most amazing part of that was?
Yes.
Everybody that we've closed went to Maui, Hawaii with us.
Yeah.
That was amazing, because we all went and learned together some great things.
And we got to see him in person.
And had a great experience. I mean, it was a lifetime trip. That was amazing.
Created a lot of memories.
Yeah, a lot of great memories.
Amazing memories.
So the reason why we're telling you this is because, high ticket it's something people get really scared of. They're like, oh my God, I don't know if I could sell somebody $2,000.
Yeah.
And let me break this down a little bit, because, and I'm going to start there.
Mm-hmm.
All right, forget about the 10 grand. Let's just talk about 2 grand.
Let's talk about 2. Yeah.
Most people, when they hear that, they go, I can't ask someone to pay for 2 grand, let alone 10,000.
If that's you, if you've ever been the one that said that to yourself, whether it be out loud in your mouth or thought about it, put a 1 in the chat.
Because you have to learn something.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to make money, you have to become that entrepreneur that has the mindset of creating wealth, of creating capital.
Yes.
Okay? And this is something that we have to learn and get uncomfortable about, because in this business, you are creating your own economy.